All right, here we go, guys. More goodies. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all had a great weekend. We are finally back from Denver, and of course we celebrated my wife and I's anniversary and my daughter's birthday, so it was a really good time. We didn't go to Colorado DIECAST because that wasn't the purpose of the trip, but we did score some things from Target and a few things before we left to Denver. So let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. You could already see we did pick up a new big time muscle. This is a 2010 Mustang GT. This is the S197 body style, and I don't have any second gen S197s in the large scale collection, so I definitely wanted to pick this one up. I'm not a fan of the wheels. I might wheel swap it with an extra car that I do have. You got the Ford Performance over this charcoal metallic, which I think looks beautiful. Got the matte black stripe with the red outline, and of course those black steelies on there. Now I wish they would have thrown some 5-spokes in black, kind of like the ones you would see. Let's see which ones have it. I think I have one that has them. Even if they threw these on here, the bullet style that are on the Fox body, I think it would have looked really, really good on here. But it is what it is. I didn't have the second gen S197 in the collection for the 124 scale. So this was a local pickup from our Walmart. And then a few things here and there that we also scored before we left as well. We got the new blister releases of the NASCAR Authentics. We did grab the Joey Logano. I know you guys saw me put it back in the video, but I did decide to pick it up because I did not have a raced version for 2023. This is actually from the Clash at the Coliseum, and I think these blisters are pretty cool. So I think you can open it and take this out of the display and then put it back if you need to, just like the 143 scale from Hot Wheels. So I am definitely digging the blister that comes on this. I just don't think that it was anything new. I do have this Joey Logano, which is right here. It's not the raced version, but definitely one of my favorite liveries that he has. So if you want to compare the two, you can have the side-by-side right here. Looks like there's a little bit of difference in livery. You have the Shell font right here, where this one actually has the Shell logo, and then a few different changes here and there with some sponsors. So not too big of a difference between the raced version and this one, but we have another variation to add to the collection. So this will be opened as well. Then of course we have the race version of the Austin Cindric. This is the Daytona 500 win, which is still a super cool one with all the confetti that's laying over it. So really, really nice. I do still collect the NASCAR stuff, but I'm really trying to focus on just the Mustangs out of the lineup for NASCAR. So 2 more Mustangs to add to that collection. We did score this one on the road trip. We've actually picked this up at a gas station. This is the Harley-Davidson 1967 Mustang GT Fastback, and I do actually have this one. It's in the display over there, and I believe Trevor Samuda sent this years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago he sent this. And I've never seen it on card. And I was so stoked to find this one in the gas station, still on the pegs. They actually did have a couple of really, really cool ones, but I definitely wanted to grab the 67 GT that is on the original Harley card from Maisto. So an awesome one to add for the display. So 67 GT from Harley Davidson is definitely a cool one to pick up. And then before we left, I did score this beauty. Check this out. This is the Ultra Red from Auto World. Definitely a cool one. It actually is supposed to come in cream, but this is of course in the Ultra Red with the white wheels. It's a 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V. Definitely an awesome one. So here we go. Found a chase piece for that. And then next up, we did score this one from Target. This is the new Johnny Lightning casting of the 1986 Ford Mustang Fox body. It's the SVO. We did score the latest one. I believe it is over here. One of our latest scores. There we go, right there. The baby blue one. So if you like the recolor, this is actually a silver poly. Is the paint code right there, 3621 or 1 Echo, I believe is the actual paint code. But super cool, guys. This is the newer casting, which doesn't have the recessed headlights in there. And so another Mustang to add to the collection. And then these right here, guys, we scored from Walgreens. Definitely did not expect to find these, but I could not pass up the 67 Camaro out of the 55th anniversary set. And this thing is beautiful. Love the satin finish, and of course the red interior just pops on top of that. But gold wheels, gold base, all that good stuff that comes on the new black and gold series. And of course, the 67 Camaro, I'm always going to grab one of those because I do like those a lot. And then we found the custom 01 Integra GSR from the series. And of course, the same livery and setup. PR5s in gold, nice tail lights for the deco. I think they did a really good job on this. So another one to add to the Integra collection. And then of course I did pick up the 83 Chevy Silverado out of the Hot Wheels Slam series. Cool one. I don't ever really pick these up, but this one is actually a super clean truck. Cannot deny the fact that that is a nice square body right there. Look at that. Beautiful stance. Love the deco on there over the black enamel with the PR5s. Just a very cool truck. Definitely have to admit that is a super clean Chevy. All right, so the next one, guys, these were actually picked up in Colorado. We found the 2007 Mustang on a short card. So we have the long card. Now we have the Shorty International, and this is just an awesome one to add because you guys know me and card variations. Got to have the Shorty along with the long card. So just one more version to go. I have the long card International, short card International. Now I got to find the US release, and then I will be good on the variations. And then right here, guys, this was new in the Target. I haven't seen it in our area, so I'm glad I picked this one up in Denver. It is the 458 Italia from Barago. Check that out. This thing is super clean. They did have the other Ferrari, but this 458 is definitely my favorite one of the two. And of course, they do have another set of releases on the back, 118 scale. That thing is gorgeous. You have the 132 scale as well as the 143. And I think it was a really good price. And of course, the Ferrari is going to be added with the other two that I have in the collection. I think my other one is down there. It is the Ferrari F50. And then I have the 355 sitting up there from Hot Wheels. And now we have the Barago's 124 scale. So another one from Target, guys. That is just a beautiful series. And then the last thing we picked up was the new Hot Wheels Race Team 5-pack, which of course has the treasure hunt of the mod rod. Now, I know a lot of people are going crazy over it, wondering why Hot Wheels threw the treasure hunt in there. It is what it is. They released that series and they did not have the 5-pack. So of course, they're not going to recast and retool a new livery, so they threw the mod rod treasure hunt. But you do have a bunch of other fantasy castings in there. All of these are fantasy except for the Dodge van, which also came on a card. All these, I think, came on a standalone card. They just threw them in a 5-pack. I could be wrong on that one. You guys let me know down below. But you have the Turbine Sublime, the Dodge van, the Erikenstein rod, the mod rod, and the Hot Wheels for Track, which I believe is the top one. but it's all out of order. So definitely the first 5-pack to house a treasure hunt, which I think is super cool. But you guys know I love the Hot Wheels Race Team stuff. I do have the other ones right here. You have Hot Wheels Race Team 1, 2, 3, and the latest one, I think that was 2021's release, or maybe 2020. I can't remember. There was a whole bunch on pegs. Of course, I think those are going to be peg warmers. So there we go, guys. This is what we picked up. Not too crazy of a haul. Like I said, we only went to Target and the stop at the gas station. This was a super cool find. But the ones before we left, the Joey Logano, the Austin Cindric race versions from the new blister of the NASCAR Authentics. Then we got the 2010 S197 from Big Time Muscle, Ultra Red Chase from Auto World. We did score the new SVO recolor, the short card 07 Mustang, the 55 Anniversary Series Camaro and Integra, along with the 5-pack and the 458 Italia from Barago, which you can find at Target. So keep your eyes out, guys. Definitely some good stuff out there. We cannot wait for the new year to see what else comes out for 24, which I am always stoked and excited for. And that is all we got, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you did, comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps out the channel. And of course, let me know which one was your favorite pickup. And that is it, guys. So enjoy the week, hunt, have fun, and of course, collect what you like. And until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.